Hello. Jose is against the ropes and is being pressured to circle. This means Jose will have to cut the corner. In that window where his feet are planting weight, a punch being weight distribution, Jose will have limited ability to retaliate. Lomachenko takes advantage of this with his jab. This sends Jose back into the ropes. He's desperate, trying to leave this spot, taking shots, trying to find a way out. Jose ducks and tries to lunge for his exit, but Lomo frames off his shoulder, allowing him to keep track of Jose's position, which in turn sets up his next shot. Blinding his feet, Jose attempts to stifle Lomo's advance. Lomachenko level changes, slipping off central line. The body is open, which in turn allows Lomachenko to condition down low, innately opening up high. Now you must realize Lomachenko is doing all of this off memory. He has drilled his unorthodox philosophy into his body. Simply put, time, effort, and repetition from childhood has forged this flow. It's amazing how he had so much confidence reinforcing something so unorthodox into his mind and body. His father truly had a lucid vision feel for this craft. Pushing with his bicep, Lomachenko keeps his shots tight, clean, clipping Jose with a lead hook. If you notice, nearly all of these shots land. As Jose bobs and weaves, Loma remains calm and touches the head position, not exactly with power, but with clean technique. When Jose feels his window to fire, unfortunately, Lomachenko sees it coming. Lomo re-enters the infight, measures with his shoulder, with his opponent's hand shelved. The body is open. After taking a clean blow to the liver then stomach, what goes up must come down. This is why the world calls Lomachenko no mas. English translation, no more. Flustered under fire, his opponents don't feel an answer. He completely muffles their game. After recon in the early rounds, he picks up speed to the point where his opponents feel like they do not have their own voice anymore. You would expect Jose Pedraza to give up after this onslaught, but the man has the heart of a lion. Mentally, he stood firm where many have crumbled. Jose's intention to guard has been softened with fatigue and fire. A guard-splitting uppercut enters easy. Again, this lowers Pedraza's attention. Overhand hook. You can feel it though. This only lights Jose Pedraza's spirit. The man must come from a lineage of warriors because he continues to walk forward. Unfortunately though, spirit is not enough to muffle Lomachenko's technique. Touching with his right, Jose slips possible follow-up. With his equilibrium off balance and his feet planted, this allows Lomachenko to easily take the angle. Jose did not even see the uppercut coming. Framing with his shoulder, Lomachenko then sneaks to the other side in a square stance, then shifts back into southpaw, further cutting the angle. Like a magician, he has vanished. Notice the pivot Lomachenko uses to peel guard. It's the same conviction as his strikes. This grants window and greater pivot for his straight. As bold as Pedraza may be in spirit, under the physics of reality, it appears even this great warrior has his limitations. Some would say, him rising after this would be foolish, but you have to respect a man who gives everything to the end. You cannot question Jose Pedraza's character. Thank you, Vasyl Lomachenko and Jose Pedraza, for the privilege to watch. Line Smash has an Instagram. Please follow it if you'd like to show me some love. Hit subscribe and notifications if you'd like more from me. Thank you if you did. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.
Yeah, I'm giving a new name to Lomachenko. No Mazchenko. No Mazchenko. Because he makes fighters do what you're never supposed to do with your fighter. Relinquish, submit, quit.